Looking for authentic Indian groceries and snacks right here in the USA? Welcome to garamdharam.com, your one-stop online store for everything fresh and flavorful. Show categories: bestseller, breakfast foods, canned fruits, daily used, dals and pulses, dried fruits, groceries and staples, homepage, honey and spreads, nuts and seeds, pickles, snacks, tea and beverages. Checking out is super easy. Simply review your cart, enter your shipping details, and place your order securely. Fast delivery, fresh products, and trusted Indian brands, all at garamdharam.com. So, why wait? Order today and enjoy the taste of home with Garam Dharam, Indian groceries made simple in the USA.